I'm telling you something, fact about the fact. I think so yesterday the Pakistani army chief had gifted a photo to the Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. President of Pakistan was there, the Speaker of National Assembly was there. And these stupid jokers, they want to compete with India. They had given a photograph of a 2019 Chinese army drill, claiming it's a victory over India. Now this is what Pakistan indulges in. They cannot even give a proper photograph. तो हम बचपने में हम स्कूल में सुनते थे कि अक्सर स्कूल में क्या होता था कि हम अच्छे पढ़ने वाले बच्चे के बाजू पे बैठता था, तो नकल करने के लिए अकल भी चाहिए, इन नालायकों को अकल भी नहीं है. So you just imagine that your own country's Prime Minister, President, Speaker of National Assembly is there, your so-called Mr. Field Marshal is there, and the Field Marshal gives a photograph of a Pakistani Chinese drill of PHL-03 in 2019. So this is what Pakistan indulges in, and that is why you must not, whatever Pakistan is saying, don't even take it with a pinch of salt. Rely on what our foreign ministry is saying, our official spokesperson are saying, and also don't believe our TV channels. Some TV channels have, their own. So Haza Majnoon. Haza Majnoon. So yeah. So now this is. Secondly, someone had said about you living in Kuwait and you have some Pakistanis also living with you. Of course, you're living in a third country. You have to work, you have come here to do work. But end of the day, wisdom tells you, yes, you are in an environment, you have to work. But deep down, your love for country cannot be questioned. You know very well where to draw a line, and where to even correct them in a very polite way. And I think so. We need not tell you, mashallah, you are all well versed. You have sacrificed the best parts of your life working in this country and taking it to a new level. So, I leave it to you, and we should not answer that question. How to do it, how to tell them. Thirdly, just to some points which I want to bring to notice is that this terrorist organization, मैं इंग्लिश में बोलूँ हिंदी में बोलूँ क्या? नहीं आपको जैसा हाँ हिंदी में दिल से आप बोलना चाहें नहीं हम हमेशा दिल से गुर्दे से दिमाग से बोलते हैं हाँ तो हाँ इंग्लिश इज बेटर ओके सो यू सी दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन TRF India had not spoken it only after April 22nd. India has told the United Nations 1267 Sanction Committee in December 2023. So please remember. But you might need to point out what is TRF. Yeah, so TRF is a new name for Lashkar-e-Taiba. Yeah. So we had informed them that look, this is a new name for LET. And in 2023, we informed this monitoring committee that this is a group which is working against India. When? December 2023. Now, in May and November 2024, we had again informed them that this is a Pak-based terrorist group which is going to harm India. So, 23 December, May and November 2024. So it's not that we were caught unawares. We whatever our people who are safeguarding all of us have been working on this. Number one. The second point is that the Pakistani propaganda. आप हमको हमला करें. No. You should see the press statement of April 25 of United Nations Security Council. What did it say? It said that people who here it is. I'll read it out to you. it says that people, organizations which indulge in terrorism, financing, strict action should be taken against them. And Security Council releasing a statement, and then in that reference, Pakistan tried their level best to ensure that TRF name is not mentioned. Why? What has Pakistan got to do with TRF? See, if you're a country, you're saying, so why did you insist that the name should not be mentioned? Fourthly, you must be remembering that few months ago when the tunnel was made in Kashmir, some engineers were assassinated, right? Engineers assassinated. Now, people who were eyewitness to this Pahalgam massacre, we had taken, the visual images, sketches, and one terrorist was caught. And in his cell phone, the sketches which were made of the 4 terrorists, it matched with the cell phone photos which we found in the attack. And those were Pakistani terrorists. And fifth, another point to corroborate what India is saying is what Jay Panda just told you, that 4 statements were given by TRF accepting this Pahalgam. Our agencies have found that they were given from a area which was close to Pakistani cantonment area. See, if you a statement, your footprints are there. You people know very well that we are laymen. So it clearly shows Pakistan's clear involvement, clear sponsor, and lastly, you can go on Google and search. In February of 2025, in Pak-occupied Kashmir, the Lashkar-e-Taiba Hafiz Saeed's son's speech is there. I have heard that speech. He had said कि 2025 में पूरा जिहाद होगा और खून की नदियां बहेंगी. His statement is there in which he gave in February 2025. Now, what does that clearly tells us is that yes, they have done it, and lastly, what our foreign secretary had said in the briefing, that the intention was not only to disrupt the tourism in Kashmir, but to also create communal differences in India. So I'm saying this because when you interact with some Majnoon, so you can tell him, these are facts, and you cannot, run away from that. So that, and then on 7th and 8th of May, just think for a while. आप अपने दिल पे हाथ रख के सोचिए कि आप जैसा, your partner, your Kuwaiti ex-general minister had told you. Just imagine, all of us sitting here. The whole northern and western India was, the attack was there from Avantipur, Srinagar, Jammu, Pathankot, Amritsar, Kapurthala, Nal, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Adampur, Bathinda, Chandigarh, right up to Bhuj. The Pakistan attack, can they show single proof of any damage that happened? Nothing happened. Our air defense system, whatever systems were there, they proved successful, and that we were willing to even show the debris. And the New York Times have shown photographs of all those 9 air bases, wherein in fact, the Pakistani PM even said on his YouTube that I was in my swimming trunks. I received a call that the Nur Khan, something happened to Nur Khan base. So it is good that he's accepted that even in swimming trunks that man was worried what was happening. So this is his, and so lastly, you being in Kuwait. So can I just tell what we told the deputy minister? So we had. All of us have told, especially our chairman has told the deputy minister, prime minister, that Pakistan must be brought back in FATF grey list. Now, what is the importance of FATF grey list? That there will be huge scrutiny on that nation when you do money transactions, and it is a fact that Pakistan uses Middle East hawala or money laundering, to sponsor terrorist groups against India. Now, I'll give you an example. In 2018, Pakistan was brought in grey list. One Sajid Mir. If you open FBI website and type Sajid Mir, there's a 5 million reward on his head. Now, Sajid Mir was the main person who engaged David Headley. He told him to change his name for Dawood Gilani to David Headley. Now, Pakistan said he's dead. In Germany, when the final meeting of FAT was held, Pakistan came into that meeting and said, Sajid Mir is alive. Now, how can a person who's dead becomes alive? That in itself clearly shows that what Pakistan does. And then the Pakistani court gave him a sentence of 15 years for terror financing. So bringing Pakistan and FATF is very important, because our apprehension is that this 2 billion loan which IMF is giving, that will be used by Pakistani military. And it is a known fact, whenever this loan is given, it goes to all the core commanders of Pakistan Army. Someone has very rightly called them crore commanders of Pakistan Army. So I request you that if in whatever way possible, please use your good offices. You are, mashallah, you are very well placed in this country, and so that, and also Kuwait is a co-chair of GCTF. And then Kuwait has the Secretary General post of GCC. And you must also know that Kuwait had handed over an ISIS suspect to India in 2019. So this is what I have to say, and thank you very much. Don't get carried away by this Haza Majnoon propaganda. They said they are. No, no. They are Majnoon. Yes. See. And lastly, as rightly said, we are concerned with the deep state of Pakistan, the ISI, and the open free run being given to the terrorists in Pakistan. You can tell your Pakistani, if you meet them, please show us one terrorist camp which India runs. एक तो बताइए भाई, कहीं तो बता, कुछ नहीं है. और बार बार ये मुसलमान, पाकिस्तान cannot take up this issue. हम मुसलमान, क्या मुसलमान, हिंदुस्तान में पाकिस्तान से बढ़ के मुसलमान है, पाकिस्तान से बढ़ के मुसलमान है. और मैं तो आपको बोल रहा हूं कि उनसे ज्यादा हम ईमानदार हैं, उनसे ज्यादा हम में तकवा है, अल्लाह से मोहब्बत है, उसके रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से मोहब्बत है. तो ये भी एक झूठा प्रोपेगेंडा इनका है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जस्ट आई वाज गिवन अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क बाय माय ग्रेट फ्रेंड जय पांडा.